So my question for today, are you wondering ano yung ilalagay ko sa description? So in this video, I would share to you why the description box is important and ano yung pwede mong ilagay doon para hindi na random stuff and you just leave it as blank. So keep on watching because I would share to you very, very powerful tips with regards to YouTube description box. So keep on watching!
This is your channel.
Hello! Welcome sa inyong channel. My name is Patrick and my passion is to help you grow your channel by providing you with YouTube tips, weekly streams, and YouTube finance. Kashing! Kaya help yourself in growing your channel by clicking the subscribe button, pati na rin yung bell, select all para ikaw yung unang ma-notify pag maglalabas tayo ng videos na makakatulong sa YouTube journey mo. Okay? So let's proceed with the video! So again nga, my question is, why is the description box on YouTube important? You know, along with the thumbnail and the title, YouTube recommends that we optimize our description.
Why?
Sa simpleng pananalita,
Simple pananalita.
I can explain this by, meron ka bang isang kaibigan at nagre-resell siya ngayon? Tanungin kita, kanino ka mas bibili? Sa isang stranger na wala kang alam tungkol sa kanya? O sa isa mong friend na sobrang dami mong alam at marami na yung pinagsamahan nyo? Pakilagay mo naman sa comments kung ano yung answer mo. Pero sigurado ko, bibili ka sa kaibigan na marami kang alam sa kanya. And that is the role of the description box. So basically, the description box would describe kung ano yung video mo and then kung ano yung goal mo dun sa video mo and ano pa yung mga may offer mo sa audience mo. So keep that in mind, no? Napakahalaga ng description box and we need to utilize it. Actually, ito, galing to kay YouTube. So, anong sabi niya? So, sabi ni YouTube, you need to optimize your description box in doing YouTube SEO.
Ano yung YouTube SEO?
Aha! I made a separate video about that. So, please check this video. Now that you know that the description box is really, really, really important, if you're getting value in this video, please like the video for YouTube algorithm! Salamat!
Please put in the comment and also paki-include na din yung mga bagay na gusto mong malaman and
I would make sure na I reply to every comment that I see on the comment section.
And speaking of comment section, shout out to the comment winner. Mag-comment ka sa video na to para ikaw yung comment winner sa next episode.
Let's proceed to the best practices that I do to optimize my description box. If you're interested with that,
Please, stick around kasi sobrang importante nito.
now I hope may nalaman kang konti tungkol sa video description. I've made a lot of videos that will be helpful on your YouTube journey. So please check them out and I would link them on the description box. Now, do you want to know more secrets about YouTube? Please click on the video you are seeing right now kasi I am confident that if you do that, your YouTube journey would be easier and your growth would be faster. Again, thank you very much sa panonood mo and have a great day! Keep on uploading guys! Bye!